Tara, lakad tayo. Hello guys, good morning. Ang prayer, hindi yan magic button to tell God na gawin mo yung gusto mo, gawin mo na ngayon din. Ano ba yung prayer? And bakit ba kailangan nating mag-pray? Ang prayer kasi is a way to know God more intimately. And for us to experience na malapit siya, that He is near. And yung prayer is also a way para ma-align yung will mo dun sa will ng Panginoon. Kaya yung prayer, hindi lang siya pagsasalita mo, hindi lang siya one-way communication. Prayer is also listening. Listening to what God says to you about your situation. Kaya dapat iposisyon din natin yung ating mga sarili to hear from the Lord. Position yourself sa quiet time mo, position yourself sa devotion mo araw-araw, sa prayer time mo kay Lord, sa pakikinig ng salita niya sa mga gatherings natin, sa mga Sunday gatherings, sa mga life groups natin. We need to position ourselves, especially today. Napakarami na kasing distraction, napakarami ng ingay sa mundo, and minsan napakahirap na pumosisyon to really hear from the Lord. Minsan nga, ayun pa yung nagiging last resort natin eh. Ang last resort natin is to listen to God. Kung kailan nag-fail ka na, kung kailan nasaktan ka na. Kaya position yourself to hear God's revelation for you. Kasi ang promise ng Panginoon is that when we call unto Him, He will answer us. And He will show us great and unsearchable things that we do not know. Ayun yung sinabi sa Jeremiah 33 verse 3. And sinabi rin sa Habakkuk 2 verse 3, nung pinosisyon ni Prophet Habakkuk yung sarili niya to hear from the Lord, ang sinabi sa kanya ng Panginoon, for revelation awaits an appointed time. It speaks of the end and it will not prove false. Though it lingers, kahit man medyo matagal, kahit man hindi natin masyado nakikita pa yung resulta ng ating prayer, sinabi dito ng Panginoon, wait for it. It will certainly come and it will not delay. Hallelujah. Ang ating Panginoon, He is always on time. He is never early, He is never late, He is always on time. And kung nagpipray ka ngayon, and pinupour out mo yung puso mo sa Panginoon, tatlo lang yung sagot ng Panginoon. Number 1 is yes, kasi perfect time na to ng Panginoon, and aligned na to dun sa Kanyang will. Pangalawa is no, kasi it will lead you to harm, it will lead you to distraction, and hindi siya aligned dun sa will ng Panginoon for you. So it's also a protection for your benefit. And lastly is wait. Wait kasi God is preparing you to enter a season or preparing your character or preparing your heart to receive yung blessing ng Panginoon for you. Kaya continue to pray lang kapatid kasi magpapakilala at magpapakilala ang Panginoon sa iyo. Every time you pray, every time you have that devotion, you have that communication with the Lord. And ang reminder sa atin ng Panginoon is that He is always on time. Kaya yun lang yung reminder sa atin ni Lord sa ating lakad ngayon. Sa susunod na lakad ulit. Bye.